Now check the app in your physical device. An app is running. Now click on the buy subscription. Now click on the buy subscription now, and purchase flow is running, and here is displaying starting first free trial and now the main subscription. And click on subscribe. Now our subscription successfully. Now restart the app and see the result here. Our query purchase is working perfectly. Here is mentioned monthly subscription already subscribed, and I am clicking on the buy subscription. The toast message is displaying already subscribed. So our code is working perfectly. Create a new project, click on new project, and select here empty views activity. Click on next and give here project name. Give the project name here and select language KOTLIN, and select the build configuration language KOTLIN DSL and finish. Now open a browser and type here Google Pay billing library and click on the result. And select here KOTLIN and copy this line This is the Google Play billing library dependency. So copy this and go to your project, open Gradle and click here build Gradle, and now I have copied this line and paste here. And this is latest version 6.1.0. Also copy this and insert here. And enable the view binding, and also insert the library for immutable list, this library. Now sync the project. Now add an activity. Empty views activity. Subs. And design this sub activity like this. One text box, give the ID txt product for displaying product to purchase, and second is for displaying product price, and third is for displaying product description, and I give a button here for purchasing product. And now create a function on the button on click buy now. Create on subs activity. Now declare some variables subs name, phases, DES, durations, and if the purchase success, and for product name, and a variables billing client and view binding variables. Now run the app once and see if running or not. In this case, app is running correctly. So close the app. Now scroll the screen and copy this code and paste here. And import this class. Click on the import. Now create a function here. Init billing client and call this function on create. This is the billing client initialization. Now show the product subscription to buy for user. Create a function here. Get prices. This function first establish the connection to Google Play. Billing client dot start connection and pass the product name here. So and insert the product name. Which product do you want to sell? And this product name, pass the value here to show the prices and description, and format prices and description the product. Now create a function here. If user agree and user want to buy, subscribe. If user want to subscribe this product, then create here a function. Create here a function subscribe product and pass the product name, set the product ID and pass the product name value here. And call this function on buy now button. Subscribe product. If user click on buy now button, the product purchase flow will run. Now read the documentation First create class here, Kotlin class, and give the name here security. And write the code like this for verifying signature. Now go to the subs main, subs activity. Now create a function verify signature, and create a function verify valid signature, and pass here your app base 64 key. Now create a variable acknowledge purchase response listener. Val acknowledge purchase response listener. Now create a function for handle purchase. This is the acknowledge purchase response listener. Now create a function handle purchase, and pass the condition here if purchase state dot purchased, then verify valid signature, and if signature verified, then acknowledge the purchase. Acknowledge purchase is necessary for subscription based product. Without acknowledge the purchase, user will get refunded automatically. Now program the purchase update listener and pass the condition here. If response code is okay, then handle the purchase. As if already owned the project, user already purchased the subscription, then pass the message already subscribe, and pass the other condition and messages like feature not supported, user cancelled, billing unavailable, network error. The main thing is handle purchase if billing response code is okay, and if item owned, item already owned. Now call this get price function at the startup on create get price. When the activity load, then user will see the products, prices and description to subscribe the product. When activity destroyed, end the connection for billing client. Now create a send APK bundles. Now go to the play console and publish your app in internal testing track. Drop here your ABB bundle. Now scroll the mouse and go to the monetize products and click here subscription. and click here create subscription. I have already done. One of monthly subscription. I will demonstrate how to monthly handle the purchase the monthly subscription. And this is our monthly subscription plan. Here is a one is base model, base plan, and other is a second free trail plan. And now go to the monetization setup. Scroll, and this is your base 64 encoded RSA public key. Click here and copy this key. Copy here, or you can copy this way. Select all, or you can click here to copy. Copy here, and go to your project, and go to verify valid signature function, and paste your key here. Now open the browser and open the subscription and select the subscription which do you want to sell for user. For I am selecting monthly subscription, so click here, and this is product ID, so choose this, not this. Select the product ID. This is product ID, and copy this and open your project and pass the value here, product name, monthly subscription. I want to sell user monthly subscription. Now subscription is done. Now go to the main activity and create a variables is success, assign the value false, is remove ad. If you want to remove the ads, if you just purchase subscription, then you can set the value. If subscription successful, then you can set the value here true, and product name with subscription to sell the user. In my case, this is monthly subscription. Now create a button here. Create a button or create a text view. Give the name here, txt name, and give the button name btn subscribe. And create a function on click of button. Right click here and go to the main. Now we have to find out whether the user has already taken the subscription or not. So create a function here. Query purchase, private fun, query purchase. First, initialize the Blink client and purchase update listener. Establish the connection. And the pass the condition here. If purchase is acknowledged, then if pro name, that's pro name, product name, monthly subscription in the list, so is success true and remove the at true and show the message binding.txt name already subscribed and pass this query function at the onCreate query purchase. Now buy subs and start activity to buying product. And pass the condition here if is success. That means if the query purchase result is already subscribed, if user already subscribed, then pass the toast message already subscribed. Else start the activity subs activity to buy the purchase. Show the product to user and buy subscription. Now already done, and now run this app. Now test the app, but this app can only run be on physical devices. In the emulator, it will not run, it will not result. So create a APK files, click here and build, and create a APK files and copy this, install this any Android mobiles and test the app. In the emulator, it will not run and give the result. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.